Good morning, students. This is your GK class, and we are going to discuss today about one of the seven wonders of the world. And which is one of the seven wonders of the world? In India, it is Taj Mahal. In the world, there are seven wonders, among which our Taj Mahal is the one of that. Wait, set color. Okay, our Taj Mahal is one of those wonders. Now I will show you the picture of Taj Mahal and I will try to explain you about the Taj Mahal. This is the Taj Mahal. Okay, it is made out of white marble. This whole building, this is a square in shape, my dear. Okay, and this is situated beside the Yamuna river. See here, a short notes: an immense mausoleum of white marble built in Agra, and it was built during the Mughal Empire, 1631 and 1648, in between 1631 and 1648, by the order of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. In memory of his favorite wife, the Taj Mahal is the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of world's heritage. In Indian history, it is told that in the Mughal Empire, this Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan was called to be a very good architect. Architect means a person who plans or makes designs of any building, because most of the good buildings like Jama Masjid, this Red Fort, this was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan only. And right now we are talking about the Taj Mahal. And Taj Mahal is a very beautiful monument. That's why it is a master of world's heritage, masterpiece. See here how beautiful it looks beside the river Yamuna. This is the river Yamuna, on which bank it is situated, and this area is square in shape. That's why it is told that it is so popular and attractive. See here, I have written, it took 20 years and 22,000 workers to construct the Taj Mahal. It is located on the banks of river Yamuna and is surrounded by 280 point something is there 280 meters square garden. Now here are some question answer related to this Taj Mahal. Who built the Taj Mahal? And my dear, who built the Taj Mahal? All of you are knowing who built the Taj Mahal? Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. In the place of who, you will write Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, and then you will copy this. Only in the place of who, what we will write? Shah Jahan. Okay, now we will go to the next question, and the next question is, no, this is the picture of Shah Jahan, my dear. This is not a question. This is the picture of Shah Jahan, who was also known as a good architect in Indian history. Now, why did Shah Jahan build Taj Mahal? And Shah Jahan, see, from here I have written, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in the memory of his wife. While his wife was on the bed, she was very sick and about to die, Shah Jahan asked the last wish, her wish, and she told that my wish is a so beautiful tomb should be constructed on my grave, that it should be the best tomb all over the world. And then it was, Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan in memory of his wife. And I am showing you the picture of his wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Now next question is, what is the name of Shah Jahan's wife? And Mumtaz Mahal is the name of Shah Jahan's wife. Okay. See the picture of Mumtaz Mahal. Now next question, in which city is Taj Mahal located? And the Taj Mahal is located in Agra. And in which state is Agra? Agra is in Uttar Pradesh. See the picture of Agra. Which monument of India is one of the wonders of the world? And my dear, as I have explained, the Taj Mahal is one of the wonders of the world. That's why it is named in UNESCO World Heritage also. This is the picture of Taj Mahal. It is also called the sign of love. Thank you, dear. You all will do this homework in very neat and clean handwriting. First of all, you will write HW and date. You will give the heading, the Taj Mahal. And all the question answers you will write one by one. Thank you.